here.
First, local, live. Now from Central Oregon's news leader, this is KTVZ News at 4 on Fox.
Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us. I'm Lindsay Harris. First at 4, a local alert weather day issued for extremely high winds. Let's get to Chief Meteorologist John Carroll, who issued the alert. John's high winds, we've got some rain going on. Tell us what we can expect.
Again, we are waiting for these winds to really ramp up. Right now, we're kind of in the setup phase of this as we are getting some breezy conditions, but really the bulk of the gustier winds are going to be associated with a cold front that's going to pass by tomorrow at about 10 o'clock, and these winds will be fairly robust. In fact, the National Weather Service has issued a high wind watch. Now, watches are issued well out ahead of the event, but this is happening tomorrow night, so more than likely this will be changed over to either a high wind warning or a wind advisory, and we are seeing southwesterly winds at about 25 to 35, gusting near 60. And because we're getting the rain today, we do have the possibility for some of these trees to get knocked over or even a limb snapped off and fall onto a power line. So strong gusty winds with localized damage possible. Travel will be affected, especially for those high profile vehicles and RVs and big rigs, possible power outages as we have mentioned. So here's a look at the winds right now. They are a bit sporty at the moment, but the big time frame for this is going to be coming in at about 10 o'clock. But we also have some wet weather to contend with. We are going to be seeing periods of rain and mountain snow this week. So really, this is just kind of the preamble of some very aggressive weather that we're going to be dealing with as we move forward through the next several days.